So I found these coin batteries at dollar stores. I noticed they're a lot cheaper than like normal coin batteries. You get it like Shoppers Drug Mart. So Sunbeam sounded like a pretty good brand. It was at Dollarama, and like this one's for cooking stuff. This one's for computers. Computer CMOS backup. And so I went out today at Dollarama. I didn't find the one for the watch. My watch here, it was like the second hand was skipping every few seconds, and I think that it either means something's wrong, or that's like it knows that the battery's getting low and it's like trying to show me by doing something weird with the second hand. So that's what I think the situation is. So what happened today is I went out and I compared this to Shoppers Drug Mart, and it's like per battery. Okay, at Shoppers Drug Mart it's like $5.20 for one battery, and at this at a buck or two, it was like $2 for 5 batteries. So you work that out, that's like 12 times cheaper. So it's some sort of weird, sort of like a little Chinese stuff. So my only concern here is that it would maybe start leaking into the watch if they're really lousy quality. Well, I'm gonna have to take the screw off because there's just no freaking way I'll ever get it in with that thing in the position it is. It's time to do this properly. I mean, how the hell they do that? Just don't have anything capable of doing that. I think maybe I moved it a bit. Did I? Yeah, there we go. So you can move that. Yeah, that's the way to do it. That is the way to do it. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it done pretty much there. Don't know how done it is, but I'm gonna call it done. I just pulled out this thing, this set thing, and put it back in. And now the hand's going like one at a time. So maybe there was never a problem. I don't know. But I put back this new battery. It was also doing that jump thing. Or maybe I just had to reset it or something. I don't know. But I don't know. It seems to be working now. So at least it's working. So it's back together. And I don't know. This isn't I guess it's not a bad battery, but we'll see if it holds up. I think it's been quite a while. It seems to me it's been a long time since I changed this battery. So maybe what I think happened is just it has a little unsteady when I put it in, and maybe it got like an air condition because of the unsteady power or something when I put it in. So I'm hoping that's the problem. That was making it jump again. So yesterday I was washing like a pillow for the first time in like being here for 14 years. My pillow like exploded and there's all kinds of synthetic little beads were down in here. And I picked them all out. I ran it a few times, and I'm hoping at least like most of them didn't get through the holes. Most of the little beads didn't get through the holes, but I'm hoping that they went out through the pipe. But you don't want to see that. You definitely don't want to see it build up in the pipe. And this laundry machine has been through a lot. Like I had an off balance load that made it like overheat and like it wouldn't work for a while, like half an hour or something. And I left it for a day and like I used it again. It's working fine, but it smelled really bad at one point. And also like something got caught in this little area here. And it was causing like a lot of the belt to slip and everything and doing all kinds of weird stuff. And it kind of like burnt some of this, so I like carved it off. But we'll see how long this it's been through like a lot of punishment. This GE wash right here, and these came with the apartment, and these are like the simplest, most ugly appliances that like you can get, and in a way, like that's what I actually like. I mean, I'd not be negative or anything, but there's just less stuff to go wrong in these appliances, and I'm gonna see like how long they all work, like how long they remain working. So I'm definitely not gonna get anything new until they die.